this lecture, we will discuss about the acceleration due to gravity and taking the effect of the shape of the earth. How does it affects? Shape of the earth is being considered here. Now, as we know that this is the earth, here is the north pole, let it be, this is the equator, and this is the south pole. So, as again we know that the radius of earth is greater at equator and earth is slightly flattened at the poles, north pole and south pole. About 78 kilometer, the radius of earth 78 kilometer decreases at poles and 78 kilometer greater than that of pole at equator. This is the calculated value. Now we come to the point, as we know that acceleration due to gravity g is given by the equation capital G me over re square. In this equation it is clear that capital G is known as universal gravitational constant. Capital Me is equal to the mass of earth, and as we know that in this equation G and Me for a given planet, let it be earth. So for earth G is universal gravitational constant for all the celestial objects in the space, and mass of the planet varies, but in respect of or regarding earth, mass of the earth is constant, G is constant. So these two quantities are constant. So we have G is inversely proportional to radius square, radius of the planet square. In respect of earth, radius of earth square. So greater is the value of radius, lesser is the acceleration due to gravity. Greater is the value of radius of earth, lesser is the acceleration due to gravity. It is clear that smaller the value of Re, larger is the value of G. Again, as we go from the equator towards the poles, the radius Re of earth goes on decreasing. As earlier I told you that radius of earth at equator is about 78 kilometer more than that of radius at pole. So as we move from equator towards the pole, the radius of earth Re goes on decreasing, and hence the value of G goes on increasing. So come to this diagram. As we know that radius of earth is maximum at equator, so acceleration due to gravity is minimum because inversely proportional. So acceleration due to gravity is minimum at equator, and as we move from equator towards the pole, either towards the north pole or towards the north pole or towards the south pole, in both the cases radius is keeping on decreasing and decreasing. Radius decreases, that means acceleration due to gravity increases. So whether we are moving from the upper hemisphere or the lower hemisphere from the equator of the earth, in both the cases the acceleration due to gravity keep on increasing. So this is the effect of shape of earth. Important point, important note, in fact about 65% of the variation in G with latitude. In the next lecture, we will consider only the effect of acceleration due to gravity and the effect of latitude we will consider. So variation in G with latitude comes from the rotation of the earth, and the remaining 35% comes from the slightly flattened shape of the earth. So the contribution of the shape of the earth is only 35%, while the variation of g due to rotation is about 65%. So this is an important note. One more important thing, that is standard value of g, as the value of g changes from place to place at the surface of the earth, and also in going above or below the surface of the earth, its standard value is taken at the sea level at latitude of 45 degree. At latitude of, keep in mind that at latitude of 45 degree, and this standard value is about 9.8 meter per second square. So generally we take the standard value of g is equal to 9.8 meter per second square. If it is not given in the numerical, then it is taken as 9.8 meter per second square. And sometimes for making the calculation to be easy, the as standard value of g is taken approximately 10, exactly 10 meter per second square, for making the calculation to be easy. So this is all about the variation of acceleration and due to gravity due to the shape of the earth, because the earth is not in the perfectly spherical shape. It is slightly flattened at both the poles. So the shape of the earth also affects the acceleration due to gravity. So this is all about this acceleration due to gravity regarding the shape of the earth. Please subscribe the channel, press the bell icon and like the videos.